Nilalabas sa ano?
Okay, the Philippine National Police Criminal Investigation and Detection Group implemented the warrant of arrest issued against Senator Marcoleta and 3 others. This morning, the CIDG went there and received the warrant of arrest about 8:45 in the morning, and the arrest warrant was implemented. So right now, the usual investigation process, the booking process ay ginagawa dito sa CID.
Sir, after this, saan dadalhin po si Senator Marcoleta?
Okay, we will return the warrant of arrest to the issuing court, that is the Sandigan Bayan. As soon as matapos yan, return natin.
So, sir, hindi pa alam po, wala pa police lang po na ilang.
It's up to the court to decide where to put the arrest.
Chief, kamusta po yung tatlo pang akusado na kasama niya sa warrant?
Yes, our teams are already on the way to implement, to do a known address of those personalities. Mike Defensor, Mr. Viray, and Mr. Security. They have addresses either in Metro Manila as well as in the provinces. Yung mga teams naman tayo doon to look after their matters.
Walang surrender figures. Hindi lang surrender figure.
Communication?
Communication.
Mas maganda kung may surrender, they surrender. Surrender sila sa nearest police station and or dito sa Kamkrami mismo sa CIDG.
Sir, kamusta po si Senator?
Hindi yung record si IDG.
Kamusta po si Senator?
Okay, medical check-up na ngayon. So, okay naman. We'll see the result.
Sir, tapos na po yung mugshot kay Senator?
Kasakalukuyang minamagsak.
Chief, to clarify po, surrender po ba? Kasi yung sinasabi po ng lawyer niya, nag-surrender na siya since nandun na siya sa Sandigan Bayan.
Warrant of arrest has been effected. He is arrested.
Thank you.
Okay?
Okay?
Chief. Ito kami sa may mortuary.